Hi there, in this tutorial we will learn how to add background in an image. In previous lesson we learned how to remove background, and in this tutorial we will learn how to add background. So let's take a look the entire process. So at first we have to open our exercise file. So here is the file menu, open option, and inside our selection and masking folder we have to open this Z Mastery Unsplash image. So you just have to select this image and then click on open option. Okay, so here is our image, and you can take a look. The background of this image is totally empty, and we will add a sky in this background. So let's do that. At first we have to select the area where we want to add the background, and therefore we will use the magic wand tool. So here is the magic wand tool. You just have to click on here, and I want to select this entire white area, and therefore I am clicking on here. You can take a look. The entire white part got selected with the magic wand tool, but if you look carefully, here is a place and here is a place. It's not get selected, and therefore we will use the quick selection tool, and therefore you just have to right click on here and then you will get this quick selection tool. So I'm selecting this quick selection tool, and let's increase the brush size. Okay, 81 pixels, and I want to select this white part. You can take a look, this part got selected. I want to select this part here. Okay, and I want to select this part here. I want to select this part as well, as maybe it's a tree, and here. Okay, you can take a look. The entire part got selected, and I think a little portion got not selected, so let me select this small part. Okay, now you can take a look. This entire part got selected, and right now we will add a layer mask, but in this time we will add a layer mask from here, but therefore you have to press Alt button from your keyboard. So you just have to press Alt button and then click add a layer mask option. So you can take a look. Our entire background is removed, and we did a small mistake. Here is the white part got remained, and therefore we have to undo the entire process. To undo, we have to click this edit menu, and here is the undo option. Okay, so we have to select this part also, and therefore I'm selecting once again. Okay, now it's selected properly. I mean, entire image selected properly. Now we can add a layer mask. So here is the layer mask option, and before add a layer mask you have to press Alt button on your keyboard. Okay, you can take a look. The background removed clearly, and right now we will add the proper background. We will add a sky in here, so therefore we have to open our exercise file. I mean, at this time I will not go for open option, I will go for place embedded option. So I'm selecting this place embedded option, and inside our selection and masking folder we will get this sky image. You just have to select this sky image, and then you just have to click place. Okay, here is the sky image, and we want to cover this entire image with sky. So therefore let's scale it properly with the background image. Okay, so you can take a look, this entire image got covered with the sky image. So you just have to press enter button from your keyboard, or you can click on this tick mark. So I'm clicking on here. Okay, cool, huh? But where is the peoples? To make the peoples visible, we have to move this layer. We have to place this layer under this layer, all layers. So let's place these layers under the layer O. Okay, you can take a look. Now the white background is covered with the sky, and it's quite simple. I believe if you try minimum 2 or 3 times by watching this tutorial, you can easily do this in anywhere, I mean in any Adobe Photoshop software. So start practicing, and if you have any question you can write in our comment box. So see you in next lesson. Ta-ta.